Alright, so LS1 T56. This is in a Honda, a digital dash, obviously. From the sensor itself on the transmission T56, I had 2-wire sensor, so one of those wires I just grounded straight to the transmission. The other wire you're going to run to the signal in right there, signal in input on the Dakota box, and you got your normal power and ground to the car, power to ignition source. And then I ran it on the output number 3, and then this goes to my speed sensor signal, so VSS wire. I'm not running a Honda ECU in the car at all. This is full standalone on the Holley Terminator X setup, which that doesn't matter for this, but just so you're aware that's on there. So when it's on, that's where I'm at right now. That little dot, if you roll the tires, should be flashing, indicating you're getting a signal. I have mine set on the high input, low output, I believe, settings in the computer. So let's see if I can pull that up here on the computer real quick, if it's still on here. But anyway, there's the car. It's a 02 LS1. Alternator's not on it right now. Just got that where it's self-exciting, so just be a 1-wire setup. Big eBay turbo, air cooler, all the normal stuff. I do have my bleeder set up for my radiator, kind of rigged, because my radiator's under here and it sits lower than everything else in the car. So let's see. I believe I still have this pulled up here. Okay, so here is your basic setup. It's application number 1 is high, 2 is low, 3 is high-low, which is where I'm at. So you can pause it here if you need to read any of this stuff, but